I got it here, Microtech SBD Dagger. So this is the name of it. Stone wash, full serrated. I never seen one before, fully serrated one. So there's disclaimer and whatever. So as you can see, there's a belt clip or whatever clip you want it to be. You can clip it anywhere. And how do we pull this out? I guess you just have to pull on it. Or there you go. I think if it's connected to something, it's easy to pull it out. There you go. Yeah, that's the way to pull it out. I never seen SBD full serrated. You know what they should do? Double serrated on both sides. If you like serrated and non-serrated standard, now you don't have to choose. You can get yourself a dagger like that. Let's see the balance of this knife. Perfect. You see, that's where you're going to hold it. I think the Microtech knives I have had before, and balance is just not good. This thing is so thick, it just thins out pretty good, but look at that. Look at that thickness in the middle. It's quite a bit. And I love these little holes. It's just such a cool little dagger, almost like a throwing knife over here. So beautiful. If it's a throwing dagger, there you go, you need at least 3 of them, right? Except most of the cheaper throwing knives, the sharp edge is only over here. This side here, technically, you can still use it like a regular knife and cook and whatever, do all the keeping stuff with it. This one was made in 02-2022, serial number 1713. So yeah, there you go, 1700 of them. And this side here, collaboration with Borka knives. Is that how you pronounce it? Beautiful. I really like that knife a lot. This thing actually holds its value and collectability because people do want them for the collection, or people use them, beat them up, and they want to buy another one. And Microtech kind of put them in circulation and stop making them for a while. So when people want another one, they're willing to pay almost double the price whenever they cannot find it on eBay and such. So yeah, that's a cool collectible knife set here. That's what it's about. I do love this deep serration on that blade. Look at that. It's bounced around with light so good. I love all these different reflections. Yeah, beautiful little dagger for sure. It's so hefty and thick, and again, balance is so good. You see how I don't have to almost hold it or worry about it. It just kind of rolls on your hand and stays there, not trying to fall over or anything. Beautiful. So yeah, let's put it away. And yeah, you can put it onto your backpack, belt, on the loop, like there's a boot, and there's a holes. I guess you can hang it like on the neck. Feels like would be too heavy for a neck knife, but still really nice belt loop. You see there is a hook, so whenever you pull it out, it won't get stuck, or it won't come off from the belt. Super nice.